Have you got to that point of frustration now where you just want to make a YouTube video just like this? You're watching this and you're like, I want to do the same. Welcome to your quick start guide on how to do this, how to create your very first YouTube video.
Veena V.
Hello, beautiful action taker. My name is Veena V and I boost business owners' confidence on camera and get you started on YouTube. So let's not mess around here. I'm going to show you how to create your very first YouTube video. And I'm doing this on my phone. So right now I've got my phone and I've got it in landscape mode, okay? Why do we need to put a phone in landscape? Can you see it's on the wide end? It's not the other way around. In portrait, I've got it in landscape horizontal mode. I shouldn't say the word, I keep saying mode, because it's not a mode, you just put it into horizontal. Why we do that is because then we avoid those black bars, those black lines on our video. And also, not only that, it fills the whole screen. We've got more space now to do things. I can put a bit of text up if I want. I can, do a bit more editing. When the video is in vertical, I do not like that at all, and it's not very good for YouTube either. Keep your vertical videos for Instagram TV, or even Facebook. You can do videos in that way as well. So that's tip number one, is put your phone in horizontal. The second thing you need to do is make sure you've got enough light shining on your face. That's what's going to make your videos from amateur to professional. Is so much about the lighting. And all I'm doing right now is I'm standing in my bedroom. This is my wall, and right in front of me, I've got my big window and the light is shining on me. Now, this is a really embarrassing video. Please give this video a thumbs up, because I really wanted to make this quick start video for you, but it means I'm going to have to show you all the mess in my room, and you're going to think I live like some kind of what's she doing? But anyway, as you can see on the screen right now, that is my window. My son has ripped something in my net curtain. I really should be taking that down, but anyway, and that's all it is. This light that you can see is coming directly from the window onto me. We never film a video with the light behind, because then I would just be all dark. So no. So tip number one, horizontal phone. Tip number two, the light is shining onto us. Tip number three, to do with the background. Can you see? I have not overcomplicated anything. Nice, crisp, professional. I am just on my wall. If you're going to do maybe educational videos, I used to have a white wall that worked really well. You can do videos with any background you want. Anything, but what I would say to you is don't overcomplicate it. If you've got too many things, sometimes I see people doing videos in front of a bookcase and they've got loads of things. You can distract the focus from yourself. You really want people to focus on you and your content. And in terms of me saying, focusing on you, it's more about your content. People want to hear what you're saying rather than getting distracted by what may be going on around you. Tip number four is framing, okay? Now, I don't want to be standing like this in my video, or we want to make sure we are framing ourselves in the video properly. Now, can you see my head is not cut off? So I've got a little space at the top. I've got some space behind, space to either side. What you'll notice in a lot of my YouTube videos is that I tend to stand to the side of it like this. The reason I stand to the side is because a lot of the time I will edit the videos and I'll have text just like that popping up there. Look, I love you. You are unique. Yay. So that's the kind of thing, that's why I do it, but you don't have to do what I'm doing. I do it for editing purposes. You can nicely be placed in the middle, but just remember that you're framing yourself. Look, if I move my tripod down, obviously I don't want to do a video like this because now my head's been cut off. You get to see a bit more of my dress, but I'm not framed to the best of my ability. It's best for me to be. See, now, personally, I think that's too much space at the top. So two options, I can either lower my tripod or I can simply step closer to the camera. Do you see what I've done there? The fifth thing I want you to remember is eye contact. We need to be looking into the lens of our camera. It's the little dot on our camera that we need to look in. when I'm looking like this, can you see I'm actually looking at myself in the camera, but I'm not looking at you? How rude. I'm not giving you any eye contact. Now I am. So can you see what a difference that makes? I'm now looking at you directly into your beautiful eyes. And now I'm looking at myself. And I don't really want to look at myself, but then I was looking at myself and now I'm looking at you, okay? So that's tip number 5 is eye contact. Always look into the lens of your phone or your camera. Tip number 6 is having a stable shot. As you can see right now, my phone is in a tripod, and especially for you, I've got a special deal. This is worldwide delivery, and because you are watching this video, you qualify for a buy one, get one free. These are one of my own tripods. They fit on chairs, they fit on branches of trees, on park benches, anything where you can think to put this tripod, you really can. I've got an all black tripod, and this one I'm using today, which is a pink and black one. They fit to any size phone. You can do videos in horizontal mode like we're doing today. You can do vertical videos as well. It's just a great bit of kit that you can chuck in your bag and make videos wherever you are going. So I will leave the link below this video, or simply go to veenav.com/shop and type in as a coupon code YouTube, and then you will qualify for a buy one, get one free. So that is my, I think we're number 6. Are we number 6? That is my 6th tip for you, is get a steady shot by simply putting your phone in a tripod. And why that's good is because we've got stability, the phone isn't shaking, and also I've got my hands now. I can move my hands around. I can, show you things. If I wanted to show you this lovely pen, I've got my hands free to do whatever I want with. I've really lost count. I think this is number 8, is external microphone. Now, I'm actually not using a microphone with this video because I wanted to give you this quick start guide where you can literally get your phone and start making professional videos literally within this video hasn't even got to 10 minutes yet, okay? So you can put an external microphone in to the bottom of your phone. You can get some really affordable ones from Amazon. Again, I will leave my list of equipment below this YouTube video so you can see what I use. But look, the sound's not that bad, isn't it? You can still hear me because I'm very close to my phone. If I was like further away, or if I was going to an event or outside, then I would highly advise you get a lapel mic, which is, if you can see that, can you see that? This is the lapel mic. So this plugs into your phone, and then all you do is you clip it onto you like this. Now, can you see what I've done today? I've actually clipped my hair to one side because my hair sometimes very naughtily goes over my microphone. So that's why I've clipped my hair to this side, because if my hair, the other bit of my hair was over here, it will make a rustling noise. So yeah, make sure when you do put your lapel mic on, you've got nothing in the way. Even sometimes jewellery and necklace might jingle jangle on it, and that will pick up all your sound on your phone with a lapel mic. And the last thing I want to say about this quick start guide to making your first YouTube video is just do it. If you don't do something, you're always going to have so much fear around it, and that fear multiplies and multiplies and multiplies. If you just do something quickly, sometimes without thinking, one of my little phrases I say is act now, think later. Now, sometimes that's not always good to do that, but I found that works for me because I really do not like talking in front of people in terms of public speaking. Like now, I love being like here, just me and you. But if there's like 5 people and above, I start getting really nervous, and I'm like, oh my God, I get hot, I get really sweaty. But I just do things. If people ask me to speak in an event, I will just do it. If there's a networking event to go to, I will do it. Because if I think too much about it, that fear just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So my last bit of advice for you is just get out there and do it. And this is why I'm making this video on the phone, so you can see that you need to stop the excuses. I'll move away for that. Stop the excuses, yeah? You don't need the latest bit of technology. You don't need to wait for a microphone. You don't need to wait for so many things. Take action now, because every time you delay something, you're denying yourself. You're denying yourself success and greatness and all the amazing opportunities that YouTube can bring. So get your content out there. I promise, where's Pinky? My Pinky promise to you is that people care much more about your content. They're not here to analyze you and look how your hair looks or your dress looks or even the video quality. They are here for your content. Let's do a really quick recap on this quick start guide to making your first YouTube video on your phone. And it's number 1, put your phone in horizontal. Number 2, make sure the light is shining directly on you. Number 3, background. Remember to keep it nice and simple. Add in your own personality. A lot of people, I know, put fairy lights and all that kind of stuff. Just do what feels most comfortable for you. Number 4 is all about framing. Make sure you're framing your shot in the right way. Number 5 is eye contact. Always give the camera your love and attention and make sure you look into their camera lens. Number 6 is put your phone in a tripod. Number 7 is get an external microphone. And number 8 is start now. Get your content on YouTube right now. If this video helped you, and I really hope it did, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you want even more help to get started on YouTube, take my free YouTube training. We're going to get to spend some one-on-one time together, and I'm going to teach you the 5 steps that you need to follow for a highly successful YouTube channel. This is perfect for beginners because not only do we get this free training, at the end I will let you know about my ultimate beginners YouTube course. It's currently only $197, and it basically teaches you everything a beginner needs to know to get started on YouTube. I will leave the links below actually to the course and to that free training. Pick a time and a date, and hopefully we can spend some time together. Remember, take action today, not tomorrow, because guess what? Everything you want, all the miracles are on the other side of that brick wall. You got to keep going, keep knocking it down, and on the other side is so many miracles and opportunities for you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye. Don't know why.